Hi, Chandler Daggett here with MarineMax at Lake of the Ozarks, Missouri. And today, I'm gonna show you guys a 2017 Sea Ray 310 SLX. It does have Axius joystick. Of course, you can see the Submersible Swim Platform. It does have the power tower. So this is one of the unique 310s that the power tower actually actuates down. So if you've got issues with dock height or storage space, it's solved. This boat only has 72 hours on it. It is in fantastic condition. It was always stored under roof in a private shop. The boat does come with its own trailer. It's a triple axle haul right trailer, and it does have a Marine Concepts cover with it as well. Give me a call at 573-480-4549. Again, a 2017 Sea Ray 310 SLX with joystick.